When they said, hindi will ni Lord yan, hindi nila pinag-iisipan ang will ng Diyos eh. Pinag-iisipan nila yung sarili nilang takot. Yung mga bagay na hindi nila sinubukan. At binalot nila yung takot na yon into a beautiful gift wrap at inabot sa'yo. I want to name what just happened, the obedience trap. You see, simula nung pinanganak ka, you were rewarded for one thing. Sumunod. Right? Sumunod sa magulang, good job. Mag-aral ka mabuti, good ka. Naging faithful employee ka, good job. Hindi ka nag-disagree, 2 thumbs up. Nobody told you that the same programming that made you successful inside the system, obedience, is the exact thing that make you paralyzed outside of it. So, when someone says, hindi will ni Lord yan, hindi sila nagko-comment sa business mo. They're activating the deepest code you have. Hintayin mo ang permiso, sumunod ka, huwag kang aapak at lalampas sa linya. And your brain na-train ng 20, 30 years, mag-obey, mag-comply. Hindi mo kasalanan na natrap ka, pero responsibilidad mo nang malaman ito ngayon.